I'm going to show you how to fix the GPU configuration warning in DaVinci Resolve 20 and up. So for those of you that are actually experiencing this issue right now, all you need to do is click the update configuration button. But for me, I don't actually have the issue right now. So to replicate this, all I need to do is click preferences. And what we want to do here is under GPU configuration, just untick both of these. So OpenCL is selected for processing mode and GPU selection. Just ensure that your primary GPU is selected here and then just click save. If that hasn't fixed your issue straight away, the next thing that you need to do is ensure that your drivers are up to date. So if you have an NVIDIA GPU, you want to search for GeForce Experience and update your drivers through that. If you're AMD like myself, what we need to do is find Adrenaline. And if you open AMD Adrenaline in the top right, you can just see whether your driver is up to date, and that should now have fixed your issue. If this video helped you, please consider giving it a like.